In this video, we are going to discuss about the key concepts and the first key concept of demand management. So, what are the key concepts? The key concepts are core services versus supporting service, pattern of business activity in a short form called as PBA, and user profile, service package SP versus service level package SLP, also business relationship management. So, coming to the core services versus supporting services. The core service is a service which actually brings value to the customer. So, when we take the example of a bank company providing salary accounts to the customers, the core services are banking services which we directly go to the bank and we deposit money, we withdraw money, we also have print on the passbooks. So, these are providing value to the customer, that means all are documented copies. So, coming to supporting services here, the supporting services are telephone banking, net banking, mobile banking, everything are the supporting services. We can see clearly here, it is a service which is a key from organization's perspective as well. So, here the banking service is a key from organization's perspective. If a company is providing salaries, they get each and every month email statement after going to the bank in a form of a letter signed by the manager. So, this is the key requirements or the key service provided by the bank to the company. Example, for a banking customer, the core services provided will be all financial services. That means all withdraw amount from the bank, all depositing amount into the bank, and also printing on the passbook, also the loans and the fixed deposits, the mutual funds, all which are documented are the key services or the core services provided by the bank. So, coming to the supporting service, supports or enhances the core services. So, if you done a transaction in the ATM and you did not withdraw any money, but the amount got deducted from your account, when you call help desk, they support you or enhance their core services by giving support, so that you can get the information about why the account got deducted and by which time the amount can be credited back in account. So, it is like an added feature which may not be desired but important to have. So, this is an added feature to the core services, so that you can instantly access all your services of your bank through this supporting services. So, many times it becomes necessity. Yes, today many times it is necessary to check our account balances by logging into the mobile banking, which is a supporting service for the core services. So, that by using the mobile app, we directly connect to the server of the bank and we get the details of our account and also all the transactions. Example, supporting service is above case could be providing a help desk which helps troubleshoots all issues and queries, and also which are faced by users when they access the website. If you log into the Axis Bank website, if you are not able to access the website, you call up the help desk and the help desk provides you about the troubleshooting. So, what exactly a troubleshooting here is, when you are not able to access the website and you call up the help desk in giving support, they give you support by giving information that to use a standard browser like Internet Explorer or Firefox or Chrome, and give you the internet settings to add it to your favorites, and from there you can access the internet banking, and also the same way as your mobile banking. So, your mobile banking automatically pops out some errors stating that the server is not available or temporarily unavailable, so that you can get all the supporting services to enhance the core services. So, this is about the core services and supporting services.